everyone. First of all, I am Rico Lamakang, and today I'm gonna share what I have learned in this subject regarding to those learning materials we tackled before. So, for me, I'm gonna share first what is communication media as culture. So, for me, communication media as culture refers to how many form of media like TV, social media, internet. Especially in social media, there's a lot of platforms like Facebook, Instagram. So those medias really shape and reflect my values, my beliefs, and behaviors. So essentially, it's about how media influence me and how influence how it influence our culture that exists within. So, for example, is the way media is presented or how people interact on social media can reflect and perpetuate cultural norms and ideas. As DevCom students, I have learned a lot because I explore various theoretical frameworks and perspectives to understand communication in society. So, some of the topics there is like the Frankfurt School, political economy, post-constructionism, and postmodernism. So those topics provide me with critical lenses to analyze and critique communication practices, media's content, and the societal implications with a DevCom framework. So, how really media work in our society? So, one of the best example of this is Facebook. So, as we all know, most of us we use Facebook, engage in Facebook, spend time on Facebook. So, it's the best example because it really influences us. Like when you are watching videos in Facebook, there is ads pop pop up in a screen. So it really influences us. It really catch your attention because those ads promote products. So you are encouraged to buy those products. So especially when the presentation is really good, it's really eye catching, and of course it's so very informational that we that influence us or persuade us to buy those products. So that is one of the best example in communication media. So for me, understanding these concepts can help me navigate and critically analyze the media I consume. So empowering me to make information decisions about what I engage with and how it really affects me and of course our society. So that's all, man. Thank you.
And good morning. I learned a lot from this subject. Communication media as a culture. There's a lot of media forms like news reports, radio, and others, and so on. Communication media as a culture. It has a huge role in our community, like community empowerment, education and awareness, and cultural exchange, shaping individuals to make decisions and take action, like addressing health issue, cultural discrimination, influencing social interaction, and cultural expression, and others, and so on. Social construction of reality. Sociological concept arguing reality is created and shaped by interaction. Reality is subjective, not objective. People develop reality, not observe. Theory suggests that self-presentation influenced by interaction and life experience. Like for example, home is home not because it has a TV, furniture, and so on, but everyone agree that's a home. Lastly, I learned how to write position paper like you need to read and cite for reference, and as a future DevCom practitioner, I can apply my learnings from this subject and share my knowledge on what is communication media as a culture to my future endeavor. And that's all, ma'am. Thanks.
Hi, good day, ma'am. I learned a lot from you in this subject, especially how to write a position paper and to define communication media as media and communication and media. Because in this subject, it presenting theories and communication in this subject, and it brings communication to the critical schools, and I learned about how to define the 5 theories in media as culture, and overall I apply this theory in my daily life, and I learned a lot from this subject. Thank you, man.